What is up, guys? It's your girl ReRe, and I am back with another video. And as you see, these nails glow in the dark. So if you want to see how I got this look, check out the video and stay tuned. Starting off, these are my nails. They're in the shape of coffin, and the color that I have on them is actually glow in the dark. To achieve this look, I'm just going to be using my Burn Pretty No White top coat. I placed one coat of that onto each nail, and then gathered my rhinestones and placed them in the desired design, which I am going to get into in the next few clips. For this design, I wanted to do something different, so I decided to place the rhinestones on to the tips of my nails in descending order from side. I decided that my middle finger was going to be where I put my main design as my accent nail, and so I skipped over that one and completed every other finger just the same. This is where I will be putting my focal point, my accent nail, where the main design will be. So that is what I'm doing. I'm taking my larger rhinestones and placing them in the order. I think I put a very huge one in the middle, and then place two smaller ones in descending order underneath on both ends. And then I finished it off with an even smaller rhinestone right in the middle of the two. And I don't know what shape I would call it, but I liked it, and it looks so beautiful on these nails. Take a look. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.